रितेश से मिलके मेरी पहली मीटिंग में गलतफहमी ये थी कि बहुत शरीफ लड़का है।
अभी भी वही गलतफहमी है।
लेकिन मुझे पहली मीटिंग से पता था ये दोनों कमीने हैं। पहले भी वही थे, अब भी वही है। ऑफ कोर्स दोनों फिल्में मैं देख चुका था, बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्टर थे। So, तब जब मैंने उनको देखा पहली बार,
दूर हो गए क्या चाहते?
इसके फोरआर्म्स देखे आपने? फोरआर्म्स देख रहे हो?
फोरआर्म्स का
बड़े
क्या लेना देना?
नहीं, पहली बार नहीं, मेरे फोरआर्म्स देख। तो जब भी मैं अपने फोरआर्म्स
मिला तो उसके फोरआर्म्स देख रहा था।
तू क्या देख रहा था?
मैं तो फेस देख रहा था। मस्ती started with आफ्ताब. He was the must, we were the E.
Yeah.
Started with must before it.
He was E.
In fact, I remember when I was in hospital, this guy was in Latur with Rohit Shetty
Yeah.
and
Abhishek.
Ajay and Abhishek and all these guys, and they were calling me up from there while I was in hospital and making jokes about the nurses.
Ritesh was dating Janelia. And did you guys know of it? Did
अरे
he
छुप
lie
छुप के
to you?
बहुत बदमाश है यार ये। अभी भी I can't tell. When Ritesh lies, he lies with such a poker face. He is able to cover up so amazingly.
I remember going to the van on the sets of Masti and clicking a picture, thinking that probably, we will not get married in real life. We don't know where things will go. Let's click this picture
As a memory.
as a memory.
How sweet.
And so now today I tell इंदु जी, ऐसे सबसे पहले आपने जिनले के साथ मेरी शादी आपने कराई। इन दोनों कुछ पता नहीं था।
They were very good. They were
They
very
were
good at covering
very
it up.
good at keeping it quiet. But
Because Janila and me on the sets used to behave like strangers. Hi, hi. ये रेस्टोरेंट में जाकर मेन्यू चुराता है।
क्या?
ये
What?
मेन्यू
He
चोर।
collects menus.
विवेक, वो किताबें जब बंद होनी चाहिए।
कमीने।
It's been 21 years, but I don't think anything has shifted between the trio that I am interviewing today. I think they have been mad, they have laughed, they have made us, they have cracked the silliest jokes. Especially, I'm very happy that Ritesh is letting me finish my introduction today. Thank you so much for joining us on Nance. Are never. I was doing a vlog where I literally introduced saying कि आज मैं जिनसे interview करने जा रहा हूँ. I will be very thankful if Ritesh, if that person allows me to finish my introduction. Okay. But thank you so much for doing this. But एक चीज बताइए, 21 साल से आप लोगों का ये फ्रेंचाइज चल रहा है, I want to ask you, what was your first impression? आज तो बहुत भाईचारा है, but जब first time मिले थे, what did you think of each other? What was your perception of each other? What did you have any negative perception? पहली मुलाकात।
रितेश से मिलके मेरी पहली मीटिंग में गलतफहमी ये थी कि बहुत शरीफ लड़का है।
अभी भी वही गलतफहमी है।
लेकिन मुझे पहली मीटिंग से पता था ये दोनों कमीने हैं। पहले भी वही थे, अब भी वही है। लेकिन when I did the film in 2003, विवेक उस वक्त उनकी 2 फिल्में रिलीज हो चुकी थी, साथिया और कंपनी। और वो उस वक्त शायद युवा भी कर रहे थे।
Yes.
और ऑफ कोर्स दोनों फिल्में मैं देख चुका था, बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्टर थे। So, तब जब मैंने उनको देखा पहली बार,
दूर हो गए क्या चाहते?
और फिर जब ये सेट पे आए तो थोड़ा लंगड़ाते हुए आए। तो तब मैं समझ लिया कि इसकी एक्टिंग लंगड़ी हो गई। No, but
I think we're playing wrong answers.
wrong. The idea is that we met first time. We were slightly, of course, formal. Vivek used to be in
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Vivek used to be in this huge van, sit like Dawn. हम लोग गरीब लोगों की तरह खाना मंगाते थे।
खाना तो हम सब इसकी वैन में खाते थे।
नहीं, और विवेक के वैन के बाहर 2 लोग उसके जो दोस्त थे, तुषार हिरनानी, बहुत अच्छे डायरेक्टर, और मिलाप जवेरी,
बहुत बुरे डायरेक्टर है।
जो राइटर,
जो आपके मिलके डायरेक्टर।
नहीं, डायरेक्टर जो राइटर उस फिल्म के थे। ये तीनों बहुत ही एकदम तिगड़म जो बोलते ना वैसे थे। और तिगड़ी
मतलब
गढ़, लेकिन और आफ्ताब तो साउथ मुंबई का मस्त छोकरा था। बड़े
So
इसके फोरआर्म्स देखे आपने?
So,
फोरआर्म्स देखो
forearms का
बड़े
क्या लेना देना? First
नहीं
time
पहली बार नहीं, मेरे फोरआर्म्स देख तो जब भी मैं अपने
पहली
फोरआर्म्स
बार मिला तो उसके forearms देख रहा था।
तू क्या देख रहा था?
मैं तो face देख रहा था उसका
अच्छा
कि इतना हैंडसम आदमी आया, घोड़े पे आता तो प्रिंस लगता था।
प्रिंस तो तू है।
साउथ बॉम्बे से तेरी और मिलाप की पिक्चर के साथ ही आया था।
But I met Vivek for the first time on the sets of Company. I think on his first or second
Correct.
shoot.
Yes,
He was shooting in Filmistan studio.
with RGB sir.
He was with Ramu sir, and I met him. And Ramuji called me on the set. He said, "I want you to meet the hero of Company." So that's when I met Vivek.
तो अजय देवगन नहीं थे पिक्चर में?
नहीं वो नहीं थे. He said the hero is Vivek Oberoi. So I said, "Chalo, great." So we met very
इतने
formally.
बदमाश है ना दोनों, बहुत बदमाश है।
And then with this guy, though I know him pre becoming actors because we used to play cricket from South Bombay.
Oh,
And we were always on opposite sides.
Masti started with Aftab. He was the must, we were the E.
Yeah.
Started with
the
must
E,
before it.
He was E.
E.
listen, you guys used to play cricket, you said.
Yes.
And opposite teams में. तो गर्मा गर्मी कभी
All the time.
All-
And we used to have a competition between us who's going to hit more sixes.
and who used to win?
Alternatively. One day, because he's a right-hander, I'm a left-hander. So that we always had our own advantages. But we had a very healthy competition. And till today, we play, whenever we get a chance on sets, we play cricket and Vivek commentates.
But he was a better batsman than you, and you were a better bowler. You were a better
ऐसा
all-rounder.
कुछ नहीं.
No, sir, we used to.
सब whatever
we used to have-
चल जाता है, वो चल
but when we started playing together, we used to have long partnerships. So we started
we know each other. We know each other's games really well.
So longest partnership was of how many runs?
I think over a century.
over 100 runs.
Yeah.
Oh wow. And what about you? What was your impression of both of them? Because they've called you a Don, clearly.
No,
Yeah,
Don मतलब Don Vito Collier ऐसे उसकी एक वैन में खुशी थी, okay, और ऐसे बैठता था वो, and then और क्या है normal ना, विवेक का एक है कि normal बात करते हैं, hi bro, how are you, and then suddenly when guest comes, how are you doing, I'm Vivek Oberoi. उसका एक अंदर से बेस आता था.
अरे बदमाश है ना दोनों, फेंक रहे हैं पूरा।
No, अरे क्या फिक्र है?
But what was your impression of them then?
Nothing, bro. I think my honest impression was that Aftab, having done so many films before me and started his journey with RGV before me, was extremely warm. Even before Masti, I'm saying during company time when he came to meet me on the set, it was very sweet, very warm, which was a very nice feeling to have. He was already like a friend and well-wisher. And with Ritesh, it was amazing to see the background that he came from, the power that he came from because of his dad, because of uncle. He had such an incredible amount of humility.
That's true.
You were normally used to seeing people from a background like that with power, especially the children, the second generation. They have a certain air.
Yeah.
But he was like the simplest, sweetest, nicest guy. And I think that's why we clicked so well. And these guys really helped me out after my accident. I was in a lot of pain. I was
He
on a lot
actually
of
shot a
medication.
lot of the film with a broken leg.
Not realize.
Can't make out. Yeah.
You can see me.
The Yuva.
drinking,
No,
I'd put
no,
on-
you are- and also the second thing, na, when you say first impression, when I met Vivek, so we will come from a certain, like I was an architect, still am, but I'm saying I'll have a certain kind of knowledge. But Vivek was so well read that he knew about everything. Like you could talk to about politics, you could talk
Yeah,
about
very-
finance, talk to about sugar industry, and I was just amazed at how is it possible that he gathered so much of information and he knew about it, and he was very excited to, even if he didn't know something,
Yeah.
जैसे भाई मुझे पता क्या हो रहा है,
No, he has this
क्या
curiosity.
है,
Yeah.
अच्छा ये कैसे होता है, then he will get into nitty-gritties of how it's done. He may do something about it or may not do, that's a different thing.
Yeah.
But he was always a seeker.
He's got this curiosity.
Yeah.
Because I saw one of your recent podcasts जहाँ पे आपने इन सब
अरे इसने बहुत podcast किए.
आज नहीं जो आ चुके हैं
आज भी किए उसने.
उसमें मैंने देखा कि he has a knowledge about a lot of other things as well, like apart from films. You know, when you speak about the accident, so I'm from Calcutta. आपका accident
Yes,
Calcutta में हुआ था.
विद्यासागर सेतु.
तो पैदा हुआ था तब?
हाँ हाँ. How old do you think I am?
21.
It started.
20.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Shukriya. My career has increased by 12 years. I'm 33.
21?
33?
I'm 33.
21?
हाँ.
Either we three did Masti?
या तभी तो पैदा हुआ था.
Right.
कोलकाता में हाँ बोल.
What?
Nothing. Mom is here, so I have to be.
No, you please say. My mom will still feel that you're the most Sharif person. So you know, हमारे वो Telegraph में इतना news आया था कि वो shooting and all of that has happened. You said that he shot majority of the part, a part
Yes.
of the film with the after the accident.
I couldn't have done it without these guys. They were really supportive. And in fact, I remember when I was in hospital, this guy was in Latur with Rohit Shetty
Yeah.
and
Abhishek.
Ajay and Abhishek and all these guys. And they were calling me up from there while I was in hospital and making jokes about the nurses and teasing me even that time. So the camaraderie was always there. They were troubling me and teasing me, but it was nice because they lifted my spirits. They were very, very supportive, man. And it was a tough time for me, and it was amazing to have these guys. I think that's where the bonds began.
But मैंने एक episode देखा है of your show with Sajid that you had done, Yaro Ki Barat, where you have imitated the style of Vivek walking in to the room when the narrations were happening. So I want you to do it for our audience as well.
Did I?
The first time that Vivek walked in when Masti was being offered to you, you have literally done that.
Really?
Yeah.
Aftab has done it?
Yeah.
Shot with me only.
Both of you. And of course he and
Copy तो ये
Sajid
करता है,
were
बदमाश
hosting.
तो ये है.
Copy तो ये माहिर है ये.
No.
Number one.
सबकी कॉपी करता है ये.
So why don't you?
But by the way, hold on. One
But
second.
पहले narration में था ही नहीं है Vivek.
No, even the my narration, these two were not there.
No, he's saying that when you met,
Him for the first time.
I met him in company set.
No, during Masti. Like the first day of Masti or whatever.
just tell your audience to watch Yaro Ki Barat na.
चलिए वाह very nice.
हाँ इतना.
लिंक डाल दे, लिंक.
हाँ link डाल दे.
Link डाल दूंगा अभी तो.
Click the link below. Subscribe Yaro Ki Barat.
But what does भाईचारा actually mean to you all? Because भाईचारा has become such a popular term today. But आज के ज़माने में मैं seriously बोलनी मतलब I don't want to be morose about it. But एक टाइम ऐसा था इंडस्ट्री ना रिश्तों पे ही चलती थी.
आज भी चलती है.
नहीं बट आज रिश्ते थोड़े से मतलब if you look at this generation, I'm not talking about your generation still values relationships and goodwill, but do you feel that relationships have that value today when it comes to the younger
No,
generation?
I can only talk about the people that I interact with and people that I've worked with. And trust me, and I've experienced this firsthand, people have gone out of their way to do things for me when they didn't need to.
Correct.
They don't have to. And it's only because of the kindness in their heart that they said, Tu kara na, we are with you.
Yeah, but also you've evoked that, huh?
No,
How you've been that guy that so many people will reach out for and say,
That's true.
I want to do this for you. You've been that person.
No,
You and
I'm-
Jilia are that couple.
No, I'm just saying that when you talk about people going out of the way to do something for you, and that niceness is there in our industry, and I would like to believe that a generation next, they will have their own equilibrium to find and to see that, okay, fine, or an ecosystem where they will do something for each other. Out here, where people that we work for, I think when Aftab was producing a film, he just made a call. Ritesh, this is there. Okay, done. What costume done? I didn't know what was it, but because we love for each other, if tomorrow Vivek calls me for something, I'll be there. No questions asked. So, भाईचारा ये होता है कि आप जिसके साथ काम करते हो, उसके लिए उनके साथ आप खुश हो, and then sometimes they will need you, sometimes they will not need you, but you should be there for each other.
Yeah. What about you?
And it's not just on film, yeah. It's even in your personal life off film. I've seen my friends be there for me, and a lot of them from the industry, a lot of them not from the industry. So yeah, I get what you're saying. I understand that it's very professional, and that's absolutely okay too. But even all the younger people that I've worked with, the next generation, they're very friendly, they're very sweet, yeah. They're very nice, and I've never had a situation where I've had to say, I'm calling them and they're saying, manager se baat kar le. I mean, that's not happened. They've always given the love and respect, and one has always responded with that.
Yeah.
एक है मदद करना या टू बी देयर, और एक है जताना. जब आप जताते नहीं हो ना, वो भाईचारा है.
Beautifully said.
Yeah.
Beautifully said.
And I want to tell you guys that the reason my mother is here also, because you spoke about this, my mother was the happiest when I told her that one of the first few interviews, I did a reality show, and uske baad se na, I've become very lazy. For almost 2 weeks, I didn't want to go out. And one of the first interviews that I'm doing for my channel is this one. And when I told that it's with Ritesh, when I was on the show, my mother reached out to him to just support me on the show, and he just did it out of love. And thank you so much,
Hey,
because
no problem.
because my mother did reach out to a lot of other people as well. But the fact is that you have a lot of, all three of you, you know. मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ because I have grown up watching this kind of relationship. I have been taught by an editor who has always stood up for relationships, you know. So I have that inculcated in me, whether it's personally thanks to my family or professionally or even emotionally when you watch people around you, right? I want to ask you that do you, today, that 22 years later, is the relationship still the same?
No.
Or has it evolved?
No.
In what ways? Yeah.
I think it's far greater, far better, far more evolved, and far more secure, and far more comfortable. I think we've done 4 films together, and we worked individually as well. Like I worked with Ritesh, Ritesh has worked with Vivek. Vivek and I worked in a film, but not together. I think Darna Manai and I think there was Das Kahani as well.
Yeah.
The other one, Avara.
He's there, na?
No, Deewane Hue Pagal.
Deewane Hue Pagal.
But we didn't have a scene together.
No.
Yeah, so we've been part of films that we may not have physically met, but I think our relationship since 2003, since the time we started to meet on set, I think has gone to another level. And with each passing Masti, I think you'll just see the evolution of a chemistry that is timeless.
We've seen each other grow from boys to men.
Really.
No, and that's true. And we've seen our relationships also, right? For example, first Masti, we all were single, not married. By the time we did second Masti, he was engaged.
We were both married.
We were both married.
Yeah.
By the
I think
third Masti,
he was expecting his
his
first
first
child.
child.
Yeah.
By the time the third Masti was happening, I had a child. I think expecting the second one.
Second, I was married.
And he was married. And by third, we all have fourth, we all have kids. We've been so it's been like a family reunion, now. Friendship, and then it's become like a family.
I think over 21, 22 years, that's what Masti is all about. Relationships, both official and unofficial ones.
तो unofficially आप हमको बताइए कि थोड़े कुछ बताइए कि sets पे on the first Masti what
Sets
was it?
बोलो ना?
Sets.
हाँ.
SETS. मुझे ये जानना है कि Ritesh was dating Genelia. And did you guys know of it?
अरे
Did he
चुप
lie
चुप
to
के
you?
बहुत बदमाश है यार ये. अभी भी I can't tell. When Ritesh lies, he lies with such a poker face. He is able to cover up so amazingly, and it's happened even on one topic in Masti 4 also. When I'm talking to him about something and he's behaving like he knows nothing about it, later on I find out that Bugger knows about it from months in advance. So same thing even with Genelia. We all had our doubts. I think Aftab caught on faster than I did. But eventually we all figured out.
Yeah.
You know, trivia on Masti. Masti begins with me getting married to Genelia. That's the first scene.
Yeah.
And we were shooting that scene. And we were just, Genelia and me were dating for probably 2 years by then. And so eventually got married. I remember going to the van on the sets of Masti and clicking a picture, thinking that probably, you know, we will not get married in real life. We don't know where things will go. Let's click this picture
As a memory.
as a memory.
How sweet.
And so now today I tell Indu ji, ऐसे सबसे पहले आपने जिनले के साथ मेरी शादी आपने कराई.
But you also knew about it. You had
I had an idea from South Bombay because there's South Bombay. But I had an inkling, and I mean,
इन दोनों कुछ पता नहीं था.
They were very good. They were,
yeah, they were very good at keeping it quiet. But
Because Genelia and me on the sets used to behave like strangers. Hi.
How did you manage to do that?
Yeah. I think
I
it's more
was-
exciting na छुपाने
you're
वाला
actually
क्या
a better actor off sets, off the camera.
Okay, what is that one secret
हाँ.
of each other that you have not revealed, but you have to reveal? You cannot say कि मैंने 22 साल से reveal नहीं किया. कुछ ऐसे harmless one
Bro, we
secret
have a super
about.
bro code.
No, but you have to say one harmless secret. Harmless.
Harmless secret.
About the other two that the world doesn't know, that you know.
ये रेस्टोरेंट में जाकर मेन्यू चुराता है.
क्या?
ये मेन्यू
He
चोर.
collects menus. Menu collector, stamp collector सुना, coin collector सुना, he's a menu collector.
अच्छा मैं ऐसे बोलूं. हाँ यार ऐसे उतने बता. क्या मस्ती वन में तुम्हारे वैन में
अलग अलग फाइल्स में कैटेगराइज. तुमको चाइनीज खाना है, चाइनीज कौन से एरिया में खाना है, साउथ बॉम्बे में खाना है, प्रॉपर मेन्यू,
ओरिजिनल मेन्यूज थे।
सारे रेस्टोरेंट से चुरा दो।
अंधेरी गए तो अंधेरी के रेस्टोरेंट के मेन्यू, ये मेन्यू चोर है।
Yes.
Menu chore. What about him?
Vivek.
विवेक
मेरा कोई सीक्रेट थोड़ी,
नहीं।
ओपन बुक।
विवेक पर किताबें लिखी जा सकती है,
खुली हुई किताब.
खुली हुई किताबें।
No secret, yes.
हाँ, विवेक वो किताबें जब बंद होनी चाहिए।
कमीने।
But दोनों मिलके you guys actually friendly bully him the most.
क्या मैक्सिमम मेरी खिंचाई सबसे ज्यादा होती है।
और हक है
हक से, yeah.
एक दूसरे को, अगर
कभी-कभी इंटरनली टेबल्स टर्न भी होते हैं, फिर आफ्टर और मैं मिलके इसमें
अरे
बहुत खींचते हैं, मतलब
It's a equal, it's a full open
सीजन
play.
सीजन चलता है हमारा।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा मतलब
नहीं,
Any
उसका turn,
secret
उसका
about
turn।
him that you guys want to?
Ritesh,
हाँ.
loads.
क्या सीक्रेट है ब्रो?
मैं तुम दोनों को बाहर खाना है।
इसका क्या सीक्रेट है?
It's like, I know his facial expressions so well. I know exactly what he's thinking.
अरे, but
what
that's not a
he's meant.
secret.
No, but actually, I can't say that on camera.
हाँ।
But I know exactly how he's reacting, his body language.
रितेश की सीक्रेट्स बहुत
So,
डेंजरस है,
yeah.
तो उसको रिवील नहीं कर सकते हम लोग।
Yeah.
हार्मलेस सीक्रेट एक भी नहीं है उसका।
Harmless सब harmful.
बहुत अल्ट्रा लेवल के सीक्रेट्स।
सारे harmful है.
But बीच में कभी झगड़ा वगड़ा arguments नहीं हुआ है
नहीं।
कभी?
नहीं।
Never.
No, never.
क्या झगड़ा करना?
Never.
Never. No arguments also.
क्यों करेंगे?
Can I tell you this is the only set, the only space where, and I can speak for all three of us, there's such a touchwood degree of comfort and security
Yeah.
that we actually look at a scene and we say, yeah, I think you should say this line.
Yeah.
And this punch should go to Aftab, this punch should go to Vivek. Oh, how do we make Ritesh's punch better? We actually
never
help
put each
work
of
with each
ourselves
other and
put
lift each other.
Yeah.
Like that, always.
And before I call the leading ladies also, I want to ask you this question.
Yeah.
Because I remember we had a press conference jab Masti 3 was releasing and it got leaked. And I
Right.
remember
Yes.
that all of you were so emotional because Masti
One person was
2,
very-
Grand Masti was the first adult comedy to actually hit 100 crores.
Right.
Yeah.
And
First adult film to.
Yeah, first-
Adult comedy.
yeah, first adult film to actually hit 100 crores and Masti 3, people will still say that if it had not leaked, it would have done great numbers, right? Because there's a section of the audience that really enjoys watching these movies. I saw how you guys came together, Induji was there and everybody was there, and today social media की वजह से leaks and everything has become such a big thing, even Salman sir's movie Sikandar leaked 1.5 days before the release and all of that happened. Is there a thing that you are cautious about? And also, बहुत लोगों को तब लगा था because वो मस्ती नहीं चली थी because of the leak, that Masti 4 will never happen.
Yeah.
Finally, when it came to you, because you guys are family, right? So, what was the first feeling like?
Okay, I will also start by saying that when Masti 3 went on line, हम लोग तीनों आईफा में थे और आईफा से वापस आ रहे थे। मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पर ट्विटर पर मैंने देखा उसका एक स्क्रीनशॉट, तो मैंने भेजा इंदु जी को, ये क्या प्रोमो रिलीज हुआ है? तो नहीं, तब हमको पता चला कि ये पिक्चर बाहर निकल गई और ये हुआ है 1.5 महीने पहले।
Yeah, 1.5 महीने पहले.
So by then the film had penetrated and we had to release. So that was an unfortunate accident. आपका दूसरा सवाल ये था कि does it bother you? Are you conscious about leaks and everything? It's not about Masti. It's about every film.
Yeah.
Every film we have to be extremely careful कि जब हम लोग जैसे I'm producing directing a film right now, जब भी ये कोई footage बाहर जाता है या मिक्सिंग के लिए जा रहा है, सेंसर के लिए जा रहा है या डबिंग के लिए जा रहा है, so we have to be very cautious कि पूरा मटेरियल एक साथ ना जाए थोड़ा, because we are extremely vulnerable as an industry to
Yeah.
piracy is another thing. पायरेसी रिलीज की बात होती है, वो एक अलग मॉन्स्टर आप डील कर सकते हो, और लेकिन लीक है, दिस डैमेजेस यू बिकॉज इट डजंट गिव अ चांस टू सर्वाइव। आज क्या है, आज फिल्म रिलीज
Clean ही नहीं हो पाएगी, absolutely.
आज रिलीज हो जाती है, फिर जाकर पायरेसी होती है, कुछ लोग देखेंगे, लेकिन एक वाइब बनती है, जिनको थिएटर में जाना है वो थिएटर में जाकर देख ले,
करेक्ट,
या जिनको थिएटर में नहीं जाना है वो पायरेसी हो भी तो भी नहीं जाके देखेंगे। इट्स गुड। सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट लीक्स, आई थिंक it's there, it holds true for every film, just not Masti.
Anything that you guys want to add?
No, I think for Masti 4, I think yes, the last part of your question, that we were all very excited. the fact that it was coming together again after so many years, and I think more than anything else, we were excited, all of us, to collaborate together. We were getting a chance to, collaborate on this franchise that people have loved. See, love or hate, you can't ignore this franchise. It's one of those franchises.
Yeah.
So I think the fact that we were coming together was just a stroke of happiness for all of us. And I think we shot for like 35, 40 days in the UK. And I don't remember how time passed. We just wrapped it up and here we're sitting for the promotion. So it's just a sheer joy of a franchise that we've loved and nurtured for 21 years. Is now we're coming out with part 4.
And this is the fastest release. We
Yeah.
shot in
Yeah.
July and we have released the film in November.
July, August we shot.
July, August, September, October, November. 5 months start to release.
I think these guys have spoken about piracy, and all I want to add on that is that we tried in the past. We all thought about it. We thought about putting a 4th installment together, a good script, a good idea. So for different reasons, it wasn't coming together. But then when Milap had this interesting new idea, this thought, and Induji and Milap had worked on it, and I knew Shikha and Amar from Wave Band, and I think I kind of helped connect with Induji and put this together, and the kind of support that Aftab and Ritesh gave, and they were like, just like, we're on, let's do it. In record time, the film was put together, the script was executed, the rest of the casting completed, we went in, shot non-stop against all odds. A lot of things happened in the UK, I remember.
Yes.
One costume man got stolen.
Yeah, all our costumes are filmed.
Which all continuity costumes. Yeah, all got
Halfway
stolen.
through the film,
And all
all
the
the costumes
girls,
stolen.
guys, the whole
Everything.
team, nobody said, "Ke, what can we do about it?" Everybody pooled together and said, "Okay, how can we help? How can we support? What can we do?" And we just managed everything together. Our costume team was amazing. They ran day and night to bring us
And they
new
made the
clothes.
same ones again.
No,
we had to figure
As
out
close as possible.
Continuity kaise?
or we changed the script.
Yeah.
Or we changed the script to adjust it. Ki bhai, it's not the continuity of the same
Wow.
scene.
Because that's not an easy situation to encounter while you're on an outdoor, because time is money.
That's how it all came together. Everybody was on this like it's their own film, and as family. And I
Yeah.
think if you ask the producers at Wave Band, they really appreciated the kind of camaraderie and the kind of
Absolutely.
support that
Yeah.
everyone's given them.
Yep.